Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are all well by the grace of Allah. I'm also well. By the way, have you eaten your meal? Good. Very good. Hello, my dear students of class 5. Get ready. I'm going to take your class, okay? Hi. I'm Andy Nasiruddin, an assistant teacher of Chirigundur Model Government Primary School. Class 5, Subject English, Unit 9, Lesson 2, page 34. Okay, get ready. My dear students, what you like to hear? Any rhyme or a story? A story? Okay, well, I'm going to tell you a story, okay? Be attentive. It was a hot summer day, at a chilly Gormedi, and a crow was very thirsty. At a catching Kubi Trishnatto. It flew one place to another, one tree to another, at a Jagathiki, a castic, and wherever chilo, in search of water. But it's a matter so that and একটা দুঃখের বিষয় যে as it was a hot summer যেহেতু ছিল একটা খুবই গ্রীষ্মের দিন all the ponds, canals, ditches, rivers had dried up সব নদী নালা পুকুর খাল সব শুকিয়ে গেছিল so there was not a drop of water anywhere. কোথাও কোনো পানি ছিল না and the crow became very sad. কাকটা খুব মর্মাহত হলো. He just keep trying to search water. সে পানি খুঁজতেই লাগলো. However, when it was flying above the trees, যখন এটা গাছের উপর দিয়ে উড়ে যাচ্ছিল in the sky আকাশে it saw a pitcher under a tree সে দেখলো একটা কলস গাছের নিচে then তারপর the crow flew down and sat on the pitcher তারপর কি করলো এই কাকটি ওরাই নিচে নামলো এবং এই কলসের উপর বসলো it noticed that এটা দেখলো যে there was water in the pitcher কলসের মধ্যে পানি আছে but it tried to drink এটা পানি পান করার চেষ্টা করলো but it couldn't সে পারলো না why there was a little water on the bottom of the pitcher কলসের তলায় অল্প পানি ছিল and it couldn't reach there এটা সেখানে পৌঁছতে পারছিল না পানি সে লাগা পাচ্ছিল না however the crow tried to fall down the pitcher shaking it এই কাকটি কি করলো অনেক ঝাঁকি দিয়ে এটাকে ফেলানোর চেষ্টা করলো কলসটাকে বাট couldn't কিন্তু পারলো না it became again upset সে আবার মর্মাহত হলো but suddenly it noticed some pebbles near the pitcher হঠাৎ করে সে খেয়াল করলো কিছু নুড়ি পাথর কলসের কাছাকাছি এক জায়গায় the crow picked some pebbles and dropped into the pitcher by its beak সে কি করলো সে কিছু নুড়ি পাথর এনে কলসের উপর ফেললো it picked pebbles one by its beak সে এক এক করে নুড়ি পাথর এনে কলসের মধ্যে ফেললো the more he dropped the pebbles into the pitcher সে যত বেশি নুড়ি পাথর কলসের মধ্যে ফেলে the water of the pitcher rose up তত বেশি পানি উপরে ভাসতে থাকলো at a time এক সময় the crow able to reach the water. সে কি করলো? পানি লাগাল পেতে সক্ষম হলো। and drank water very happily. এবং সে কি করলো? একেবারে খুব খুশি মতো পানি পান করলো, সুন্দর করে পানি পান করলো। However, after drinking water, it again began to fly heavily and gladly. সে আবার খুশি মতো উড়তে লাগলো। Okay, my dear students, my story said, have you enjoyed? Good. You enjoyed a lot. Okay, have a big hand for me. My dear students, in my last class, I discussed about occupations, right? But I didn't complete the lesson clearly. I didn't complete the lesson 2. I just finished lesson 1, not 2, okay? So what we discussed the last class? আমরা কি আলোচনা করেছিলাম শেষ ক্লাসে? We discussed there are many occupations in this world, তাই না? Discussed about occupations, right? Occupations. O-C-C-U-P-A-T-I-O-N-S. Occupations. Our lesson is about occupations. Our today's lesson is about occupations. Well, in my last class I discussed when Raju was in class 5, there was a fire in the school building, right? Very soon, firefighters came and put out the fire. From that day, Raju beat a dream in his mind to be a firefighter. He just watched the firefighters and the fire from his school year, right? And after college, he joined as a volunteer in fire department, right? Well, my dear students, now Raju is a full-time firefighter. His main duty is to put out the fire. Raju also teaches the new firefighters about fire safety. When Raju finds any leisure time, he visits his school and discusses about fire safety with the students. He also tells them what to do if there is a fire. Okay? And as he is a full-time firefighter, he earns money for this, for his job. Okay? Now, open your book at page 34. Open your book at page 34. Good. Today we will learn three new words, okay? We will learn 3 new words, okay? 1. Look at the screen. Teach. Teach means শেখানো. Earn means উপার্জন করা. Live means ত্যাগ করা. Again, be attentive. Teach means শেখানো. Earn means উপার্জন করা. Live means ত্যাগ করা. Okay? Do you have any problem? No. Good. My dear students, now open your book at page 34. I will read the pages and you just hear. Don't talk. Don't make a noise. Put your finger under the line, okay? I'm reading, so be careful. Now Raju is a full-time firefighter. Raju এখন full-time firefighter. Well, my dear students, I will read the passage and you just hear. Don't talk, don't make a noise, and fix your eyes on the book, okay? Put your finger under the line. Be attentive. Now Raju is a full-time firefighter. Raju এখন full-time firefighter. It is his job. এটা তার চাকরি. So he earns money for it. তাই সে উপার্জন করে. Most of the time, অধিকাংশ সময়, his work is putting out fires. তার কাজ হচ্ছে আগুন নিভানো। অধিকাংশ সময় সে কি করে? আগুন নিভিয়ে থাকে। But he also teaches new firefighters. But কিন্তু he also teaches, সে শেখায় new firefighters, নতুন ফায়ারফাইটারদের about safety, নিরাপত্তা বিষয়ে। তার মানে নিরাপত্তা বিষয়ে সে নতুন ফায়ারফাইটারদের শেখায়, সে নতুন ফায়ারফাইটারদের নিরাপত্তা শেখায়, কিভাবে আগুন থেকে নিরাপদ থাকা যায়। He likes teaching very much. সে শেখাতে খুব পছন্দ করে। In his free time, তার অবসর সময়, রাজু visits schools. রাজু স্কুল পরিদর্শন করে। He talks to students. সে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের সাথে কথা বলে about fire safety, আগুনের নিরাপত্তা নিয়ে। Okay? He tells them, সে তাদেরকে বলে what to do, কি করা দরকার বা কি করা উচিত if there is a fire, যদি আগুন লাগে তাহলে কি করতে হবে, কি করা দরকার। They shouldn't panic, তাদের আতঙ্কিত হওয়া উচিত নয়। They should listen to their teachers, তাদের শিক্ষকদের কথা শোনা উচিত। And leave the building quietly, এবং নীরবে বিল্ডিং ত্যাগ করা উচিত। Got it? Be attentive more. Now I will discuss in details. Okay? Now Raju is a full-time firefighter. The question is, who is a full-time firefighter now? Who is a full-time firefighter now? The answer is, now Raju is a full-time firefighter. Another question, who is a full-time? Another question, what is Raju now? What is Raju now? Raju এখন কি করে? Raju পেশাটা কি? Now Raju is a full-time firefighter. It is his job. So he earns money for it. Who earns money for it? Raju earns money. Most of the time, his work is putting out fires. Now question is, whose job is putting out fires most of the time? Whose job is putting out fire most of the time? Answer is, Raju's job is putting out fires most of the time. Raju's job is putting out fires most of the time. But he also teaches new firefighters about safety. Who teaches new firefighters about safety? Who teaches new firefighters about safety? Raju teaches new firefighters about safety. Next question, what does Raju teach new firefighters? What does Raju teach new firefighters about? Raju teaches new firefighters about safety. Next question, who does Raju teach about safety? Who does Raju teach about safety? The answer is, Raju teaches new firefighters about safety. The question is, who likes teaching very much? The answer is, Raju likes teaching very much. Another question, what does Raju like very much? What does Raju like very much? Raju likes teaching very much. In his free time, Raju visits school. visits schools in his free time? Raju visits school in his free time. Another question. What does Raju do in his free time? What does Raju do in his free time? Raju visits schools in his free time. He talks to students about fire safety. Who talks to students about fire safety? Raju talks to students about fire safety. Okay. What does Raju talk about to the students? What does Raju talk about to the students? Raju talks about fire safety to the students, okay? Raju talks to the students about fire safety, okay? He tells them what to do if there is a fire. Who tells them what to do if there is a fire? Raju tells them what to do if there is a fire, okay? They shouldn't panic. Who shouldn't panic? The student. The students shouldn't panic. They should listen to their teachers and leave the building quietly. Who should listen to their teachers and leave the building quietly? The students should listen to their teachers and leave the building quietly, okay? What should the student do if there is a fire in the school building? The student should listen to the teachers. The student should listen to the teachers and leave the building quietly, okay? Any problem? No problem. Good. My dear students, we have finished reading Unit 9. You have to practice a lot at home. Otherwise, you will not able to answer all the questions, okay? Without practicing a lot, you can't do anything good, right? If you find any problem, then inform me. I will again discuss details, in details, okay? Remember that you just staying at home. তোমরা এখন বাড়িতেই থাকছো, so don't waste your time in vain. সময়টা অযথা নষ্ট করবে না. You have to study, you have to exercise, you shouldn't go out from your home, you shouldn't mix with your friends because this is a very critical time we passing, right? Coronavirus, great virus, which is spread all over the world, not only Bangladesh, right? Coronavirus গোটা বিশ্বে ছড়ায় পড়ছে. More than 3 lakh people died. Can you imagine? কল্পনা করতে পারো 3 লাখের লোক বেশি মারা গেছে. Okay, stay home, study a lot, practice a lot, then you can do good. তাহলে ভালো করতে পারবো. I will come back again with another class, okay? I will come back again with another class, okay? Till then, have a nice time. Bye. Ta-ta.